Welcome back to our Azure networking series. In this episode, we're focusing on securing public access to your virtual machines by deploying a Bastion host and connecting securely. A Bastion is a dedicated gateway that acts as a secure bridge between your local computer and Azure VMs. It eliminates the need to expose your VMs to the public internet by providing a controlled and audited access point for RDP and SSH connections. Join us as we dive into deploying and configuring a Bastion host, enhancing VM security with the essential Azure service. Learn how to set up secure connections to your VMs using Bastion, reducing your exposure to external threats. So basically, if you want to connect to your VM, you currently have to go through the public internet from your local machine to the VM. But now, we're going to disassociate the public IP address and use Bastion for secure access. On your VM, let's navigate to the network settings, click on public IP address, and disassociate it. Next, we'll deploy our Bastion. This is done at the VNet scope. We click on our VNet, and under settings you'll find Bastion. Azure has made the creation of Bastion much easier. Simply click Deploy Bastion, and the system takes care of everything, including creating an independent subnet, which is mandatory for certain services, and Bastion is one of them. After the creation, let's connect to our VM through Bastion using the credentials we've already set up. Here we go. Our connection is now secured to the VM, of course, but also to other resources within our VNet or in the peered VNets. If you haven't watched the peering episode yet, I invite you to go back and check it out. Let's test this connection. We'll take the private IP address from a VM in the peered VNet and attempt to ping it. Success. The ping is successful. Through Bastion, we can secure all our access, communication, and management, and not only to one resource. It's important to note that Bastion is not the cheapest service Azure provides. However, when dealing with sensitive and critical work environments, it's a worthwhile option to consider adding to your resources due to the high level of security it offers. That would be everything for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Goodbye.